Hi, Linda Kenny here, and I help people like you get to where you are today to where you want to be tomorrow. In today's video, I want to talk about your personal growth and your development. It's just a few things that I want to share with you from my perspective. But before I forget, I do offer a 20-minute discovery call that's complimentary. And if you want to take advantage of that, then reach out to me at callwithlynda.com and book something on my calendar or direct message me. So, what do I mean by personal growth? Well, I've done quite a few quotes lately on my social media, and today I did one about investing in yourself and how important it is. And I saw a quote by Jim Rohn the other day as well that actually said that the people that grow the fastest are the people that spend time on their personal growth. Now, I first started my personal growth journey when I trained to be a social worker some years ago. And it changed me enormously because what it did was raise my awareness of how I think of other people, how I think of myself, how I treat other people, how I want to be treated. And even in outside business, that's really important. And I think when we spend time concentrating on our development, we become better people inside. We start seeing things from a different perspective. I don't know whether you've noticed or not, but there are some people who are so aggressive and quick to come out with some scathing comments, especially when you're talking about politics or life in general. And I always wonder, when people have got so much hate inside them, where they're coming from with that. Where does it stem from? And you can always tell the difference, because I actually think people that spend time on their personal growth become more humanized, if that makes any sense, because it's about seeing the good in people instead of seeing all the bad, and looking for the positive instead of looking for the negative. And to me, that's important to lead a life that's full of goodwill. And although I'm not a practicing Christian, I am a Christian deep down, and I'd rather live that kind of life than be full of hate and negativity. And if we can change ourselves, then surely one by one the world can become a better place. And I know that sounds a bit cliched, but it's the way I feel, and why personal growth and development, personally and professionally, is so important to me. And I wanted to encourage you to embark on that journey if you haven't already. Now, as a high performance coach, that is what I spend my time doing, helping you to grow personally and professionally. That not only benefits your business or your career, but it benefits your life. And that's so important. If you want to take advantage of that discovery call that's complimentary with me, reach out to my calendar at callwithlynda.com or direct message me anytime.